Hi everyone, so in this video demonstration, I'm going to show you how we can generate random numbers in C++ using the built-in rand function. Alright, so in this program, I will be displaying a random number generated by our program. So for that, I'm going to be needing to import the IOStream library, the cout, and also I'm going to be needing to import the library for the rand function. So rand function is actually part of a general purpose function contained within the CSTD library. So I'm gonna be using the namespace, and I'm gonna be creating my main function here. Alright, so first I'm gonna be creating an output statement. So I'm just gonna print a random number. So the random function is rand, and then we have here an open and close parenthesis. It doesn't have to have any argument. So let's see what it's going to print. When I press the build and run here, alright, so it says random, okay, 41. But let's try to run it again. Alright, so again, now it's giving us the same number. So the reason for that is because C++ uses something we call as a pseudo-random method, which is not really that random if you think about it. So we humans, now when you say think of a random number, now we can instantly think of a random number, but for a computer, okay, that's a bit difficult to comprehend, no? How random is random. So in C++, it actually takes the value 41 from a long list of numbers, and it takes the first number in that particular list. So that's why it's giving us the same number. So one workaround for this would be to use something that we call as srand. We're going to be needing the ctime library, and then at the beginning of our main function, we're going to call srand, and I'm simply going to call time here. I'm going to set this one to 0. Alright, so let's try to print it again. Alright, so it's now giving us a different value. It's 19,871. Let's run it again. 19,911. So it's now a different value each time that we run, okay, these functions. So you only need to call this srand statement once, no? Preferably at the beginning of your main statement. Now what if, for example, you want to set a specific number or specific scope for the number being generated? So let's say, for example, you only want it to be somewhere around 100. So you can simply put here the modulo 100. Alright, it's giving me 58. $84, and last one, okay, 3. Alright, but this one will also generate number 0. So if you want to start at number 1, you can simply add here a plus 1. So let's experiment with the values here. So let's say, for example, you want to generate 10, 1 to 10. So it's now giving us 5. Okay, 8. Okay, last one. So it's giving me the same number 8. So that's how you can generate random numbers from 1 up to 10.